Here I have my app, and it's just a basic registration app for my website that I created. And as you can see, when you click on register, it pulls up a form where you can fill out your name, email, street, city, and state. And I'm going to put in all of my information here. The fake street, of course. I'm not going to put my real street on there. And the city, and Minnesota for the state. And when you click submit, you can see that it brings up a toast message saying that you've been successfully registered, which is when it puts you in the database, basically. And I also have another button that's click or view registrants. And as you can see, I have some preloaded entries for me, Natalie, my girlfriend, and my mom and my sister. And then here's the last entry that we've just put in with that form that I had. And here I have my registrant class, which is just a class that builds the object for the registrant. And that holds the ID, name, email, street, city, and state. And then we have our getters, constructors first. And here are the getters. And you can see I have those separated off with a comment. The getter for the ID, the name, email, street, city, and state. And all those really do are to provide an extra level of security, so you're not directly accessing the variable, you're using a method to do it instead. And right here are the setter methods, and those are just used to change the variable, basically. So like I said, instead of directly accessing it, you're doing it through a method, which makes it a little more secure. And here I have my database handler class. As you can see, right here is where I would create the table. It's got all of the column names, the table name itself, and then right below that we have the command to execute that. And all this is really doing is just executing an SQL command, just like if you were on the command line, but you're formatting it to work with Java. And here we have the code to get a single registrant from the database with the ID. And then the next set of code I have right here is to get all of the registrants. And here is my display class. This is the class that I showed you that had the list view in it that displays all of the database entries with their emails. And right here you can see I have the array adapter, and that's just converting the array I made that holds the emails, and then I'm then inputting that into the list view.